It's a new 2019 Chevrolet Colorado. Whether you're downtown or off-road, this truck provides torque and efficiency no other midsize pickup can match. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: V6 engine, gas pressurized shocks, driver selectable mode, active grille shutters, streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, metallic paint, rear-wheel drive, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com reports it has the size, the features, and the looks necessary to become the dominant truck in the compact class. Just don't mistake it for a midsize. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Lakeside Chevrolet is your new and used Dallas Chevrolet leader at 2005 South Goliad Street in Rockwall, Texas, just minutes from Garland and Dallas.